Hey guys, it's with marketeersam.com. Welcome back to another great video. Today I'm going to show you a survey site where you can fill out very easy short surveys and points, and you can redeem for money later on down the road. Before we go ahead and start this video, if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and you click the subscribe button following the right side of this video, and next to there's a bell notification. Click to it so you can receive my notifications for the videos released for you, how to make money online. So with no further ado, let's go ahead and start today's video, guys. The website I'm going to talk to you about is called www.tellwhat.com. You can click the link below and it will bring you to this homepage. Actually, what the domain starts, tellwhat, is like tellwhatyouthink.com. So this is the site, very easy. There's only one limitation, guys. I'm going to tell you now from the very beginning. This is for dedicated at the moment for US and Canada. It's relatively new, but because they're working mostly with US and Canada companies until they expand, so this is mostly for these two countries. I just wanted to show to you, although there is a limitation on the countries, but it's a nice site. So if you are living in US and in Canada, go and take a quick look. It's free to register. The surveys is five to 6 questions, very small. You can register very easily, free, and for every 4,000 points you receive, you get about $10 off. Then you can go ahead and redeem with different prices or give coupons from the major brand shops you have over there. So what I would like you to do is to click the link below, come to this home page, and once you click the create on the right top side, it will bring you here, and it will say earn 100 reward points when you enter your information below and confirm your email. Receive another 150 reward points for a total 250 when you complete the full registration process. So 250 points come to you. You are able to fill out quick surveys, about 5 or 6 questions, and you earn about 25 to 50 points, depends on the survey. Plus you are able to get more points if you refer a friend. Yeah, go ahead, click it, register, see if it's working out for you, and see how much money you can earn from this. I'm not gonna spend a lot of time, so if you are in US and in Canada and you want to make a few extra bucks, go ahead and do it. It's a nice site that is very easy to complete the survey, and you can make some extra bucks while answer a few questions from the comfort of your couch. Yeah, so why not give it a shot? This is what I want to show you guys today. If you haven't already, again, make sure you go ahead and click the subscribe button. But if you want to see my #1 recommendation, if you are from the rest of the world, that's something you can do from worldwide. It's free to start with proof. Make sure you click my #1 recommendation below and start making some money. This is what I want to show you guys today. Really short, but I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked, don't forget to click the thumbs up. Have an amazing day. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy your day. Have an amazing day ahead and make some money. Thank you. Bye-bye.